so we're out here right now. Dude. Okay, so we're out here. This is some cringy filming right here.
Dude, we can't let them know we're here though.
Yeah, okay, we're not gonna. So we know our friends decide to golf without us, even though we're not big golfers.
Make on anyways.
That's true. So we're gonna blow an air horn at them, but then I come all the way to Matt's house, and I forgot the air horn. So right now they're over here. He just spotted us. Ah! It is windy as crap out here. See, you're gonna come here and hunt the air horn, but
yeah, we saw you right away. Yeah, you forgot the air horn. Offers behind you or how? Yeah. Really? We let them pass.
No, we want to hit an air horn.
We want to air horn them.
It's at my house, so back.
All right, let's go get it. We'll go get it.
So we're just walking on the golf course with a camera and an air horn. Not anything suspicious here.
So we can get there before that.
Oh, I think they saw us.
Nuh-uh.
No, they didn't. They didn't see us.
Dude, let's go to the next hole so we can set up. Okay.
What'd you say? What'd you say, Matt?
Oh!
Make sure you get his real swing, not his practice swing. I don't know. Nope. Next one. Throw it!
See if you can throw it over. Do it.
There's no way you can throw it over, bro.
Oh, man. Bro. No. Send it there.
Yeah, you got it. You can do it.
No. Send it.
No, you can do it. Send it.
Get it over. Get it over. No, you're not going to make it.
Do it.
Yeah, skip it across.
No, my golf ball.
This is not good film content.
That's why our videos suck.
This is why we get like no views and have only 2 hard subs. How much
Yeah.
I can make it on the tee
Why do you say
box
we?
here?
It's me. All right, guys. So we're on our private island here. Water all the way around. About to get some people golfing. There's no way they're going to see us on our private island. You mega shanked it.
That was the worst swing I've ever seen.
Hey, yeah, take heat, this too hard. Many niggas be trip too hard. Run that back turbo. Yeah. Hey, look, I bring her money, they change up the topic. I got a 19 and it folded in my pocket. She gave me a number now.